guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are safe, taking care of yourself and your family. So what are we doing today? We are going to review again a concealer by brand Miss Claire. Brands are launching like concealers left and right, and they are like amazing. They're killing it with the products. Okay, so you're gonna know everything about the product in this video. If you wanna purchase and what, like basically to know everything about this particular product, आपको इस वीडियो में समझ में आ जाएगा. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That will mean a lot. You can follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair. I post all my makeup related stuff there, and my actual account Priyanka Almeida. So I do a lot of things, a lot of crap there. So if you are interested more in my life, you can follow both of my pages. Okay. Now this is the Miss Claire Fake It Ultimate Concealer. So they have given an amazing name like the Fake It Concealer. तो मैंने 02 परचेज किया है शेड एंड इट रिटेल्स फॉर ₹250 एंड 10% ऑफ अभी जो चल रहा है सेल में इट सेज 225. सो मैंने उसमें ही इसको परचेज किया. सो कंसीलर्स बेसिकली आर मेंट टू हाइड योर फ्लॉज, गिव यू दैट इवन इफेक्ट, ऑल्सो लाइक ब्राइटन योर स्किन एंड ऑल दैट. नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर शेड मैंने क्यों लिया, बिकॉज 02 मुझे लगा कि बिकॉज दे हैव जस्ट 4 शेड. आई थिंक दैट इज ओनली द डाउन साइड ऑफ ऑल दिस इंडियन ब्रांड्स कि दे आर लॉन्चिंग सो गुड प्रोडक्ट्स बट दे आर नॉट लॉन्चिंग शेड्स फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन टोन्स एंड दैट सक्स. रिसेंटली आई जस्ट also talked about Swiss Beauty के concealers. The concealer का texture formulas are so good, but only when it comes to shade, a lot of skin tone cannot have, like don't have access to really know which product to use. They don't have proper swatches, proper actual shades you're talking about, so that people will know which shade to purchase and all that. Only that is what they are lacking for. Even if you're keeping your products like affordable 200, 300, but if you put a lot of shades, a lot of skin tone can get the benefit out of it, right? So I feel only this is the downside of this Indian brands, that they are not launching after so many talks on them. Still they are not doing it. I think that sucks to another level. But still we are going to talk about this particular concealer ka formula. I'm not going to go on to the shade. So the shade that I purchased is 02. Now particular concealers mein I have a lot of concealers which is for brightening effect and all that. So I went with 02 just to see how light it is and how it will work on my skin tone. Okay? Now I'm going to talk about the shade and the color first. So this is 02 shade. So it is a very light color, as you can see totally. So it is very good to brightening effect. As you can see also, it has yellow undertone. Now if you don't know about undertone, it is something that gives that effect, brightening effect on your skin from underneath. Now as like Indian skin tone, we have that yellow undertone in our skin. So we have that yellow base that you can see overall. And mostly the foreigners, foreigners जो रहते हैं उनके pink undertone रहती है. So you can always see their skin is kind of pinkish, reddish most of the time. So this has yellow undertone which gives that brightening effect that we already have a lot. So just to camouflage that, we have the concealer which is meant to camouflage and give that brightening effect. So it says it's full coverage and this is matte finish. So actually it is matte finish, which is absolutely true. So when you apply this, you have to fatak se blend this with your blender sponge, and this is very good to blend with your fingers also. Okay? Now I use this without a corrector and with corrector. So I don't have that much of dark circles, but I have little bit of depth on my under eyes. So when I don't use any corrector, so I don't feel that absolutely even skin tone on my skin. So I do some kind of correction when I'm making videos. So without corrector, this looks kind of lighter in my skin because of the shade obviously, but it actually also gets into the fine line. So the lines that you have underneath your eyes, it gets into that. So you have to apply some kind of moisturizer. Obviously you're gonna apply, but like heavy good moisturizer, because this is matte finish. Now I have combination skin to oily skin, but still I felt that it was very drying, and specifically on your under eyes. In your under eyes क्या होता है कि ऑलरेडी हमारी अंडर आइज की जो एरिया होती है वो हमेशा ड्राई होती है. तो अगर आप उसमें ज्यादा अच्छे से ऑयल मॉइस्चराइजर नहीं लगाते हो, दिस विल गिव यू अ वेरी ड्राइंग इफेक्ट. अगेन दिस इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट फॉर ड्राई स्किन पीपल. एब्सोल्युटली आई थिंक ड्राई स्किन पीपल के लिए इतना ही सुटेबल नहीं रहेगा, बट मोस्टली ऑयली स्किन पीपल, इफ यू अप्लाई गुड मॉइस्चराइजर एंड ऑल, दिस विल बी वेरी गुड. अगेन इफ ड्राई स्किन पीपल वांट टू ट्राई दिस, अप्लाई गुड मॉइस्चराइजर, देन गो विद द ऑयल एंड देन यू कैन अप्लाई the particular concealer. The product का जो coverage है, it is very good. It is medium to full coverage. It is medium to full coverage, and as you can see, ब्लॉच दे देता है. इफ यू अप्लाई दिस, यू हैव टू ब्लेंड इट फटाक से, अदरवाइज यू विल सी दैट स्ट्रिक्स ऑन योर स्किन. सो इट विल जस्ट पैच इट. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे ऐसे करके लगाते हो, इफ यू विल कीप इट फॉर लॉन्गर टाइम, इट विल गिव दैट ब्लॉच इफेक्ट ऑन योर स्किन. सो यू हैव टू अप्लाई दिस एंड ब्लेंड इट फटाक से विथ योर फिंगर और लाइक विथ योर दिस ब्रश और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, वॉट एवर यूजिंग विथ. ओके? Now it says that it conceals, contour and highlight. Now these are all different 3 things. So why to talk about whatever they don't? But I think that is what a lot of Indian brands do, that they talk about products. उसके ऊपर जो claims करते हैं वो करता ही नहीं है. So conceal का टोटली डिफरेंट काम है, कॉन्टरिंग का डिफरेंट काम है, एंड ऑल्सो हाईलाइटिंग का डिफरेंट काम है, ठीक है. दिस विल एक्चुअली गिव यू हाईलाइटिंग इफेक्ट. दिस पर्टिकुलर शेड इट विल गिव यू दैट ब्राइटनिंग एंड हाईलाइटिंग इफेक्ट. दिस विल नॉट कंसील, लाइक इफ यू हैव डार्क स्पॉट्स एंड ऑल दैट, इसके ऊपर अगर आप लगा देते हो दैट विल बिकम मोर विजिबल. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर शेड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज नॉट गुड फॉर कंसीलिंग और इवन ऑब्वियसली कॉन्टरिंग के लिए नहीं है, बट दिस इज गुड फॉर हाईलाइटिंग. इफ यू वांट दैट ब्राइटनिंग इफेक्ट ऑन योर अंडर आईज, ऑन योर टी जोन, सो इट इज गुड फॉर दैट, ठीक है. इट इज सीमलेस, blendable and all that. That is what it claims and it says. So it is not that blendable. You have to be like, it actually gives blotches that I feel लगाने के बाद you have to blend फटाक से, otherwise it will like give that blotchy effect on your skin. Other than that, the product का जो consistency है, it is very thick. It is very thick and matte. So it is not like that water liquidy finish that लगा के आराम से आप इसको blend करो, नहीं, इसका थोड़ा thick है. You have to be very very quick when you are applying this, and फटाक से you have to blend. So the product looks like this. I didn't show you the product the whole time. It looks like this. The outer packaging में ही आता है, इसका कोई अलग से डब्बा नहीं आता. This is how it comes. It is matte. The finish is very good. Like the packaging बहुत sleek है, बहुत अच्छा small है. It is this much, so it is very good also to travel. And the applicator is a duo foot applicator, so directly you can apply this, or you can take it on the beauty blender. It's on you. The concealer, the shade that I have is 02 as I mentioned, so it is good for me to brightening effect. This will not cover your flaws on your skin that you have dark spot or any pigmentation. If you use this kind of concealer for that, it will like actually enhance your dark spot and stuff like that, okay. I don't know about the other two shades, that is 03 and 04, if they are darker and that can suit my skin tone, but I feel even this 4 shades is very hard. If you are like kind of very dark to very light, you will not find your shade, and that will look very very blotchy on you. If you are like kind of mere shade ke upar niche, you will find your shade, I hope so. But other than that, I mix and match a lot of my products, so even if some products are lighter on my skin, I will mix it with a darker foundation or darker concealer, so I get my shade. So I work and I do my thing, whatever. But if you really want to purchase this concealer, if you're around my shade, a bit darker, lighter, you can get your shade. Otherwise, I think it's no point to waste. But the concealer formula is very good. It is blendable. It is not that lightweight. As I said, it is very thick. तो आपको बहुत full coverage जैसे effect देता है. So if you go with heavy foundation and उसके ऊपर आप ये लगाते हो, it will give a very very heavy base on you. If you have like clear skin, if you don't have that much of flaws and all that, you can apply this. I hope you can see that my under eyes are like brightened and like my this part is like darker. So that is how I've gone with my makeup today. So you can see that. Other than that, the product is good. It is not bad, but the shade is something that sucks, and that is something, it sucks. It is very bad from the brand itself. Other than that, the product is good. The consistency, the formula is very very good. I think they can do great more. They can actually kill with more shades and kill it with more formula अच्छे से. Other than that, I will link the product in the description, so you can check it out and see if you can find your shade, and you can get the concealer is really good, okay. I hope that you liked my today's video. It was amazing filming it, and I post every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, so that are my upload days. I'm regular with my uploads, so make sure that you appreciate by subscribing to my channel. You can follow both of my pages that I've talked about in the start, and stay safe and stay happy, guys. It is very, I know it is very very hard times now for all of us to survive in this, but still we have to put ourselves into the situation where we are happy, keeping ourselves working. I don't feel motivated myself to film videos sometimes, but I motivate myself to do, because I love filming videos for you guys. And thank you so much for all the love that I'm getting through your DMs. I get a lot of good ideas also from you. Some of you really DM me on my Instagram and all that. Really appreciate that. And yeah, thank you again. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.